Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your iPhone iOS and the EasyShare app are up to date. Once done, connect to the same Wi-Fi network as the source device or enable Bluetooth if required. This ensures discovery. Next, open EasyShare and grant camera, photos, and local network permissions when prompted so the app can find and play media. Do this now so you avoid interruptions. Granting access is necessary for the app to list videos and streams. Once permissions are set and devices connected, you choose the source inside EasyShare. This could be a nearby phone, PC, or cloud account. Use the app's browser or search field to navigate folders and find the video quickly. The app indexes file names and thumbnails to help. When you spot the clip, tap it to preview so you confirm it's the correct file. Then press play to stream immediately or download to store locally. Downloading avoids buffering if your connection is weak. To finish, use the playback controls. Seek to jump, enable captions if available, and use the cast or AirPlay icon to send video to a TV or speaker. If playback stutters, make sure you're on a strong Wi-Fi signal or switch to the downloaded copy for smooth viewing. If your iPhone can't discover the source, restart the EasyShare app and toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. One key troubleshooting tip: force close and reopen the app to refresh device discovery and permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.